Rolling.
Our, our Fairfax Alert story? Well, that is a good one.
Yeah, and it gets better every time he tells it.
All right, well, this time I'll just stick to the facts.
Good idea.
Okay, our plans were in place, our bags were packed, we were good to go.
Yeah, all right.
He was much better than the first time.
I mapped out every possible route to the hospital, from home, from work. I timed them, I ranked them.
He created a dossier.
I created a dossier. I thought of everything.
Honey? Honey?
I got it.
Focus
I got
on
it.
your breathing.
I got it.
Okay.
Do you have the baby seat?
Baby seat.
All right, time for us to go give birth to this baby.
Us?
Now what?
It was a traffic alert text from Fairfax Alerts.
Fairfax Alerts let us know that our main route was experiencing heavier than normal delays.
So I was able to jump into action.
We're gonna have to take Route C.
Thanks to Fairfax Alerts, we chose Route C and we experienced no delays in getting to the hospital. We got there just in time. I'm just glad that I thought to sign us up for Fairfax Alerts,
Me too. If not, Olivia might have been born on the Beltway.
which I was also prepared to handle.
Yeah, well, thank you, Fairfax Alerts.